Today, I will be unboxing a Pokemon TCG trading card game, Charizard EX Premium Collection box. There's a good bit of stuff. Let's just open it. I'm about to get it open, and we have 3 promos. Let's get into it. First, let's just see all the promo cards. But see that tiny star on the bottom of it? That says Pro. That means it's promo. Promo means it's on the front of the box like those big cards. But these 2 cards aren't promos, which is weird. First, let's get the Charmander. This is a cool Charmander. Let's leave all these good cards. Charizard EX. If you guys don't know what EX is, they're rarest cards that I guess are cooler. This one is a full art. Full arts take up the whole card. See these cards, how they have a border to the art right there? This one doesn't. That means it's a full art. And not just EXs are full arts. There are full arts that aren't EXs. One of these booster packs. Oh, not good. If there was a Charizard in there, it's bent. So I sleeved up our cards. Also, it comes with this case. It's magnetized. I'm going to open it. You have to apply your nails in there. Then there's a little magnet right there. I know I'm not doing it well because my fingers are there. But then there are that little bump. And then on that, there's little hooks. And you just do ching and it locks in. And also, there's a stand for this. Kind of hard to get out, but it is this. I'm about to unwrap it. Best part of the video right now. It's kind of hard. You're supposed to put your Charizard that you get in this, but I'm just going to keep it in the background right here, making me a little area. I don't know if we should open this last or first. Cards are probably good. So these are all the packs that we have. Only 6, which is a goodish amount. We have some pretty good packs. This one's definitely the best, the Charizard one, because there's a very high chance you get Charizard. Let's open the 3 starters first. Bam, 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 bam. So I have a little setup here. These are all my sleeve cards, code cards. I'm putting this barely in frame so you guys can't review those. Because I don't want you to, because I'm going to use them. First pack. Ooh, the plastic. Oh, that is thin. I feel like it's going to break any second. And why I'm not just ripping the pack is because I like collecting the packs. Then I put the packs there and sleeves here. Okay, so code card, putting it over there. Then 1, Fire G, Combi. I'm not going to name them all out. Gotta make sure you guys don't see the last card. Ooh, there's only like, I think 4 or 5 of those arts. Ooh, this is all we have gotten. Pretty good. I like the Tauros, I think it's called. Yo, full art! Yo, this is really cool. Sorry guys, I'm not used to these videos, so if you hear me scream, oh, and I'm only going to be showing you guys the cool and rare ones, because you guys probably won't want to see all the bulk and stuff. And if you guys don't know what bulk is, it's the junk. I might sleeve this because it's cool, but probably not. Next pack, Scarlet and Violet. The Obsidian Phase is definitely the best. The first booster pack was really good. I'm just going to take a good look at this card. I'm going to give you guys a second to get a good look at it. Pretty nice. Bam. Just organizing my setup real quick. Let's put those right there instead. Basic energy, switch. Fuecoco! Shiny? Not bad. It's a pretty cool shiny. And Holo Trainer. Wah, wah. Second pack was a letdown. But at least we got full art. Next pack. Code card. Basic energy. Wiggly thing. Oh wait, I said I'm not. Oh, Fuecoco. Oh, that's a cool card. I love that card. Ooh, cool. Ah! Look how cool that is. Next pack. Basic energy. Blah. Oh, it has a little Pokeball. I love those little ones. Palan Ripper. Ooh, this is a really cool card. Not bad. We have only got one good pull and it's super cool. I only have 2 more packs. I've only got one good one. It was a pretty good one, but I didn't have that much excitement. Just look at it gives me a smile. Boom. Basic. I think we have a holo. It's either a holo or another full art. Voltron, Quaxley, Valid Belt. Oh, that guy's cute. That's a cool card. We have this guy, pretty cool. Only one more set. Obsidian Flames. I'm gonna test his luck. It has pretty good luck. It either has everything or nothing. Basic energy, roll it. I saw stage 2, it's not full art or anything, but there might be. Oh, I really like that card. I thought that was the last card and I was like, oh, and a Scyther. I only got one good pull.